How to install OnStream app on smart TV. So watch complete video to understand. First of all, press the home button on your smart TV remote to go to the main screen. Navigate to the settings option on your smart TV home screen. Inside settings, scroll down and tap on device preferences. Go to security and restrictions and turn on unknown sources to allow third-party app installation. Press the home button to return to the main screen. Now navigate to the Google Play Store on your smart TV and open it. In the Play Store search bar, type downloader and install it on your smart TV. Once you install downloader, launch the downloader app and tap on the URL box. Type in the OnStream APK download link or just simply type its name in the URL box and hit go. Wait for the OnStream APK file to fully download on your smart TV. Tap on install when prompted and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once installed, tap open and start enjoying free movies and shows on your smart TV. Thank you for watching.